look so cute.
I mean,
For yourself.
that's what I need.
Oh, huh? Look at your nose.
You know what you just did?
Look at your nose. I'm serious. Ah!
My nose looks long.
So that's the point.
Baby girl, I wanna love you like nobody else ever did. I want to be the only one you wanna talk to, the one you call your buddy. Girl, I wanna be that guy, only one that you want to see.
Hi guys, welcome to Akwasbeauty. Today we're gonna be doing somebody else's makeup. This is my first time trying to do somebody else's makeup, so we're going to see how that turns out. First of all, I just started off by filling in her eyebrows. She has really thick eyebrows, so I try not to fill them in as much. To clean up the eyebrows, I used two different shades of concealers. I used the LA Pro concealer in the shade Toffee for the bottom of the eyebrow, and I used the LA Pro concealer in the shade Espresso for the top of the eyebrow. To be honest, I really don't remember the eyeshadow palette I had used, but it was very pigmented, which I liked. I didn't like how the eyeshadow turned out at first, so I just went ahead and made the shadows darker so the colors can pop more. To prime the face, I used Prime Master from Maybelline, and I just went ahead and just put that all over her face. I also don't remember the foundation I had used. To highlight the face, I went back in with my LA Pro concealer in the shade Toffee, and I just placed this underneath the eyes, the nose, the chin. To set the face, I used the Sasha Buttercup, and I just went ahead and placed that wherever I had put concealer. So I placed that underneath the eyes, the nose, and also on the chin. To contour, I had used the brown shade in my Morphe palette. I don't know exactly what brown it was, but it's one of the browns, so just choose one of those. And I had placed it on the bridge of the nose, right below the concealer line, to help it blend out more. And just watch the video, you'll see. Excess setting powder, I used the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 362, and that just helped me like blend in the concealer and the contour line a little bit more, and also it helps darken the concealer, in my opinion. To highlight the face, I don't know what this product is, but it looks like Kiss something. I should have probably paid more attention as I was doing this makeup look, but situations, man.